Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can remap buttons on your Google TV remote. Okay, so what we're going to do is go across to apps and then we're going to go down to search, and in here we want to search for button mapper. So you can either use your voice command on your remote or you can just type it in. Button mapper.
Here's Button Mapper on the Google Play Store.
And then we just want to go down to install. Okay, so you can open it straight away here, but I'll just show you where you would find it. So if we just hit the home button on our Google TV remote, if we go back to our home page, you see all your apps under your apps. You can scroll all the way down to the end and click see all, and then you can see down here you have button mapper. So we can just click on that. So we want to click OK on this, then we're going to jump over to the settings and then enable the button mapper. So I'll go OK, and then you want to go down to System, then across to Accessibility, and then we want to go down and Button Mapper is off. We want to go over and enable it, and then we'll just go OK. Okay, so it's taken us back to the Button Mapper app. So you can pretty much map any button on the remote, but obviously there's a few you're not going to want to play around with, like the on-off button. The two main ones I would do are the YouTube button and the Netflix button, especially if you don't use these apps. So what we're going to do is add button, and then we're going to click add button. And so then we're going to just click on the Netflix button. Okay, and so you see now here it's added the Netflix button here. And if we click on that, we just want to say no thanks to the pro features, we don't need that. Okay, so now we want to customize our Netflix button. So we'll just flick that on. So you can have a single tap, you can have it still going to Netflix. Go actions, and then we'll go applications. And I still want it to be Netflix when I click it. But if I double tap it, I want it to be Disney. And you can even do like a long press, so you press and hold, and then that can also be another application. So that's everything for that one, and then we can go back. And if we want to add another button, we can click add. And then I'm going to hit the YouTube button on the remote. And it's going to be this one here. Go no thanks. And we'll go customize. And so single tap, I still want this one to be YouTube. And double tap Paramount Plus. And we'll hit the home button on the remote now. We'll test it out. We'll do a single click on the remote. So if I just press the Netflix button, it's going to open up our Netflix. If I go home, if I do a double click on the Netflix button, it's opening up our Disney. A single click on the YouTube, opens YouTube up, and then we'll go double click on YouTube and it's opening Paramount. So yeah, that's how easy it is. If you want to go back and change any of the buttons, you can just go back into the Button Mapper app. You can go in here and delete any changes, or go back in and change it to a different program. And if you uninstall the Button Mapper program, you can click and hold on it and go view details, and then go back and uninstall, and that will get rid of everything, and then the remote will just go back to how it was before. That's it for this video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.